How's the weather up there?
Don't hate me because I'm gorgeous, shorty.
If by gorgeous you mean sick and pale, we're ferns, remember? Low is how we roll. You belong down here with me.
Maybe you're meant to be down there. I have a higher calling. Soaring towards the sky like a bird flying high.
Okay, you need to cut that out, both for your health and my eardrums. I'm calling Mosa.
Mosa Mack, ferns, rainforest floor, bad singing. We'll be right there.
Mosa, over here.
Whoa, your friend is squashed between two rocks.
Don't you dare move that rock. Look how slender and glamorous I am. I'm tall. I'm majestic. I'm
about to pass out.
You're low in energy and clearly not as green as your friend here.
I'm a green machine. Her leaves have been yellowing, breaking. She's having trouble repairing them and hasn't grown recently.
We need to find out how other plants in the rainforest stay so healthy.
Oh, ask the tallest tree in the forest. I want to be like him.
That's as good as a place as any. We'll start up there.
Up there?
You'll be fine. Pardon me, Mr. Tree, sir?
You must be Mosa Mack. I heard through the grapevine you'd be paying me a visit. Well, actually, it was a cucumber vine.
There's a fern at the bottom of the forest floor that's low in energy and we don't know why. We were hoping you could help.
I hope so. After all, we see pretty much everything up here in the canopy.
The what?
He said can of pee.
No, I said canopy, as in the top layer of the forest, closest to the glorious sun. We create a cover or canopy for the forest below.
Well, that's not nearly as funny.
How do you guys get your energy?
Just ask the chloroplast in the leaves.
Dallas, magnify that leaf for me.
Welcome to the plant cell!
You're a plant cell?
Nah, I'm just one part of the plant cell. I make energy for the plant and sweet rhymes for the ladies.
Just what we need. Well, the energy, that is. How do you do it?
Give me 6 water, 6 carbon dioxide. I take that and look what I do on the inside. Sunlight as my engine. I can't wait to taste the glucose I make. Chuck 6 oxygen as waste. I'm the chloroplast. Photosynthesis, my task. It's a blast, and I'm jazzed. Why I told you, 'cause you asked.
You couldn't just tell us.
Hey man, me and all of the other chloroplasts in all the cells are producing glucose for the whole plant. And when you got a job like that, all you want to do is sing.
Encore! Encore!
Chloroplast. What was the food you said you make again?
Glucose, sugar. You humans need glucose to live too. The food you eat breaks down into glucose and your cells will use it for energy. You'll use it for everything, to repair your cells, to grow. We do too.
That's exactly what fern needs.
Well, we're in luck. I never leave home without my trusty bag of sugar.
Hold up, brother. She's a plant, right? Well, then there's no need. The chloroplast in her cells should be making it for her. Humans have to eat glucose, but plants evolved to make it on their own.
We need to make sure Fern has everything she needs to make glucose. Can you sing that song again? Can you break it down for us?
I told you everyone loves my rhymes.
Give me 6 water, 6 carbon dioxide. I take that and look what I do on the inside. 6 water, 6 carbon dioxide. Okay, 6 bottles of water coming up.
What don't you have in there?
A lava lamp. Oh, wait, there it is.
No, 6 molecules of water. And we don't collect the water with our leaves. We get it from our roots, down there.
Down the... Ah!
So Fern's roots can bring her the water. But what about the carbon dioxide? Where are we going to find that?
Well, you could. Breathe out. You breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide as waste. In photosynthesis, we do the opposite. We use carbon dioxide for photosynthesis and emit oxygen as waste.
Whoa. Okay, got it. So 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water, right?
That's right.
Patch me in, Dulles. You read me? Fern? You need food for energy, glucose.
Glucose?
Yeah. And to get it, you just need water and carbon dioxide. Once you've got those, your cells will make all the glucose you need. Plus, you'll give off oxygen as waste, which is good because I need that to live.
Great! Carbon dioxide's in the air and water's in the ground. It's an all-you-can-eat buffet down here.
But if she's already getting everything she needs to make glucose on her own, then what's the problem?
I don't know. Let's head back and think through this. Thanks, guys.
My pleasure, Mosa. Come visit us again in the canopy, top layer of the rainforest, closest to the sun. And don't forget your sunscreen.
Dallas, play back Chloroplast's song. I want to see if I missed anything.
I do not get paid enough for
Give me
this.
6 water, 6 carbon dioxide. I take that and look what I do on the inside. Sunlight as my engine. I can't wait to taste the glucose I make. Toxic oxygen as waste.
Wait a minute. That's it. The tall trees create a canopy over the rest of the plants in the rainforest.
So
look at us now. Fern, I've got good news and bad news. The good news is I figured out how to help you. You have the water and carbon dioxide, but you're not getting enough of one key ingredient you need for photosynthesis.
Great. What's the bad news?
Well, I'm going to have to move these rocks, but not for the reason I initially thought. And that means you'll have to lose some of that height and learn to love being wide.